जय हिंद एवरीवन। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है सभी सुखी होवे, सभी रोग मुक्त रहे, सभी मंगलमय घटनाओं के साक्षी बने और किसी को भी दुख का भागी ना बनना पड़े।
Pranam Bacho, hope you all are very fine. So today we are taking chapter number 24 from our grammar book, that is Integrated Grammar Practice Worksheet. Okay, so it has 3 sets and we are going to do this today. Now, in first exercise there is an error in each line. It means a single error is given in each line. We need to find the incorrect word and the correct word we need to write. Okay. So only any students were asked to stay back after class. Students है, plural है, and written is any. So hope you are in 7th class and we have already been doing this in classes also. But now this, because of pandemic, again we have got into trouble for making videos and taking online classes. So it's like every one of you must be knowing this कि plural है तो any will not come. It will be, instead of any, it should be some. Okay. In next one, very little of the actors were experienced. Very little नहीं, it's very few of the actors, right? So little को मैंने cut किया and few I have written instead of little. Okay. He is sure that this is an camera. We can not use an, है ना? It is used before vowel, so it will be a camera that he bought. Whose countries? It can never be whose countries. It should be which countries did you visit last year? Aditi won the spelling competition 3rd times in a row. 3 times in a row. ठीक है? This flowers, plural, and this, no. It will be these flowers already seem to be wilting. Now, in B exercise, what we are supposed to do, we need to find the correct answers from the options given below. Okay. She is making a lot of progress at the moment. Aparna sprained her ankle. Sprained is a past tense, तो आगे हमने क्या लिखा है? She was climbing down the stairs. Okay. ये सब tenses we have already done, so you should be clear to the point. Okay. I met Akhil at the library the day before yesterday. Again past tense. Let me know when receive you the package. When you receive the package होना चाहिए, it is printing mistake. Okay. What were you doing at this time yesterday? क्या कर रहे थे आप कल इतने बजे? तो past tense है तो were हमने use किया, ठीक है ना? Yesterday is given. I was buying some fruits when I heard is a past tense, तो आगे उससे हमने I was buying some fruits when I heard someone call my name. Okay. Now in exercise C, what we are supposed to do, we need to frame a sentence, meaningful sentence, by using the words and the phrases given. Okay, first one is, we had a quick game of volleyball during lunch. Next will be, I got to watch a beautiful sunrise the other day. Third will be, the weather forecast says it will rain all day tomorrow. Fourth one will be, I can't help you unless you tell me what is wrong. She could see someone behind the door. And last is, the horse prefers living in the old stable. Now we have set to, again it is the same pattern, like first one may we need to find error, second we need to find it from options given, and third we again need to make meaningful sentences. Okay. It will be very easy for you. Okay. So listen carefully. We managed to do everything at a relaxing pace. It would be relaxed pace. Relaxing को cut करेंगे, relaxed लिखेंगे. The coach was not pleasing when the team lost. मतलब वो खुश नहीं हो रहा था जब टीम जीती. तो coach was not pleased when the team lost. Okay. Amrita is performed in the play this year. Amrita performed in the play this year. It cannot be is performed. Few candidates have applying for the post. Have के साथ हमेशा third form. I have been continuously telling you all these things in the classes, right? Have के साथ third form is applied. Applied the same theory, we can solve this sum. Applying the same theory, applied नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. The door was swung back. It cannot be swung. It is the door was swinging back and forth in the wind. हवा से आगे पीछे हो रहा है दरवाजा. Third, again need to find it from the given options. If you are interested in science, you could take it up in college. You really should not watch so much TV. Ashraf might arrive tomorrow if he takes the train tonight. This team can easily win the tournament. I shall definitely write to the school authorities about it. We could make it to her show next week. Okay. Again, we need to form meaningful sentences. First one is, driving in the rain could be dangerous. These are very easy if you pay all your attention here. Okay. Second is, can we please do this another day? तो स्टार्ट करेंगे कैन से सेंटेंस. ओके. एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे हम. आप लोगों को लिखना है ये सारा. ओके. यू नीड टू राइट इट इन योर बुक. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, आई एम so excited about seeing family after a long time. Okay. Fourth one will be, after the film we went to a restaurant for dinner. Fifth one, I have known Sunita for more than 10 years. Sixth is, she does need help to fill out the form. Okay. Now again same pattern we will be following. Error and correction, and then again MCQ wala. So he will reach home before the storm will come. So will come is not required. We'll add he will reach home before the storm comes. Okay. Full stop. I am leaving will not be there. I had left Gujarat before the earthquake occurred. She'll reach the station before the train will leave. वो स्टेशन पहुंच जाएगी ट्रेन जाने से पहले. will leave नहीं, the train leaves आएगा. It is same like first one. The great reformers dies in 1980. It is past tense, so it will come. dies की जगह आएगा died will come. Okay. I waited for her at home for a long time. I waiting नहीं, I am waiting for her होता है, या फिर I waited for her at home for a long time. काफ़ी देर से मैं उसका इंतज़ार कर रही थी. She had finished her dinner when I saw her. She had finished. Again had के साथ third form का use करना है. Okay. Now moving on to B exercise. She has decided to take on an apartment on rent. I am tired of having sandwiches every day for lunch. थक गया है रोज सैंडविच खा खा के. Anandita is really good at dancing. We are excited about celebrating Diwali with my grandparents this year. I don't really feel like studying science today. Maybe I'll do maths instead. आज मेरा साइंस पढ़ने का मन नहीं है तो आज मैं मैथ्स करूँगी उसकी जगह. It is no use crying over spilt milk. ये एक फ्रेज ही है कि अब जब दूध बिखर गया है तो उसके ऊपर रोने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. ओके. जब गलती हो ही गई है तो वो ठीक नहीं हो सकती है, तो उसके लिए रोना पछताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. काइंड ऑफ दिस. ओके. नाउ वील अरेंज अगेन द वर्ड्स इनटू मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. इट इज़, दिस ईयर द स्कूल विल टेक अस टू द जू और द म्यूजियम. बट हम लोगों का तो शायद कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. सो नेक्स्ट इज, द गेम was cancelled since it started to rain. Again I am repeating, the game was cancelled since it started to rain. It was a good song, yet it didn't become famous. अच्छा गाना था फिर भी वो फेमस नहीं हुआ. Fourth will start from, although the mountaineers were in a hurry, they took a break. Next is, my friend helped me fix it when my computer crashed. And last is, animals से start होगा. Animals usually don't attack humans unless they are provoked. So these were very easy sentences. Hope you all have understood it. Write it neatly. You need to write all the meaningful sentences below it. You need not to write like I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to write the complete sentence. Okay. Hope you all have understood it. Please take care of your health. Thank you. Have a nice day.